Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, here we go. This one is really easy. It's going to be 3-1, sweet and sour, like a club soda, but I got a sparkling ice mountain water. I don't really like club soda. And I got an E&J brandy right here. So use any brand brandy you want. I try to use all different liquors because people drink different stuff. I just try to be cognizant of that, so I try to make something that, everybody may like. I'm not going to drink. Alright, so here we go. Got a glass with ice ready. Got a stirrer. So I'm going to put, as I said, 3-1. So there's one tablespoon, one overflowing tablespoon. One overflowing tablespoon, because I'm not playing. I don't play no games. Okay, let me adjust it a little bit to see what I'm doing. All right, so one overflowing tablespoon of that, and there's going to be 3 tablespoons of this sweet and sour mix. Got it? Easy peasy. Told you. Look at that. 1 tablespoon of that. Now what I usually do is I'll taste it and adjust accordingly. It's really good. It's a little different than what I usually drink. I actually like it. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to adjust it accordingly. So I'm going to put 2 more brandies. Right? And I'm going to put about 2 more. Okay, so it's supposed to be 3-1. So I'm going to put, I got an extra brandy in here is what I have. All right, so here we go. Now remember, it tops with this, the sparkling. Right, so that's our drink. Move everything else back out of the way. Okay. All right, so that's our drink. Got a stirrer in here. I'm gonna put a splash of this sparkling soda in there. And dears, that's our drink. I'll tell you what, this is good. This is very good. So this is very good if you don't want something that's way, way, way too sweet. Then this is good. So, cheers. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.